Did you know a family vanished in the Oklahoma wilderness and left behind footage that no one can explain? In October 2009, Bobby, Sherilyn, and 6-year-old Madison Jamison drove into the remote hills outside Eufaula, Oklahoma. They were looking at land to buy. They never came back. Their truck was found days later, sitting in the middle of nowhere. Inside was their dog, still alive, their phones, and $32,000 in cash. Nobody touched any of it. But the camera they left behind is what really disturbs investigators. The footage shows each family member walking to and from the truck alone. No talking, no expression, moving slowly, like they were somewhere else entirely. Investigators used the word trance. 4 years later, a deer hunter found their skeletal remains about a mile away. No cause of death was ever determined. The money was never explained. The cash had no known source. The behavior on that camera matched nothing in their history. 3 people walked into those hills and something happened. Nobody knows what.